Hey everyone, welcome to an unboxing video for Pixel 4a. Before I get into that, I just wanted to quickly cover off the last video I did on my Dell XPS 17. As you can probably tell by looking, I mentioned in that video I'd purchased a dbrand skin to put on it, so I've now put the skin on. As with all of their products, it's freaking awesome. Their install videos are hilarious. Watch them even if you don't buy one of their skins. They're brilliant, but the skins themselves, they go on so easily because they're such high quality. The top skin here just went on seamlessly, followed their video, doing the sticker around the logo. Okay, it's a little bit fiddly, but again, you just follow the video, take your time, goes on brilliantly. And I like the protection it gives. I also like the look, obviously, that's why I bought this particular skin. I also put a skin on the base, a lot fiddlier to get on, a lot more cutouts and everything. Again, like great, the amazing cutouts around these vents and the feet and the XPS logo and everything, fantastic. Probably wouldn't bother doing the skin on the bottom again if I was doing it again. I just think in time these tiny little bits around the vents here and even this thin strip along the back foot here is probably going to cause problems over time. Maybe I'll be wrong, I don't know. But the top skin, definitely worthwhile. Also, me personally, I don't bother doing the internal skin options that they offer because I like the look, feel and touch of this carbon here, and I like the feel of the trackpad, so I don't bother with any of that. But anyway, enough XPS 17 talk. Let's get to the Google Pixel 4a. Okay, so Pixel 4a just got delivered today. The launch date in Australia was actually last week. Pretty standard sort of box for phones in this day and age. Oh, feels good actually. It's nice. Gotta love that. Removing the plastic. I like the height. So my previous phone, I've actually got it over here. It's a little bit grubby. So I currently have a Pixel. This is a 2 XL. Obviously a lot bigger, but it's sort of thinner and more rounded on the sides. So straight away, this is just easier to pick up and put down. Whereas I've always struggled with this. You see my dbrand skin on that. I've always struggled with the 2 XL, picking it up and putting it down. Whereas I think the little bit of extra thickness on this makes it really nice. Clearly haven't set it up or turned it on or anything. Again, I'm not going to go into heaps of details about this, the same as my XPS 17 unboxing. I just wanted to do a quick unbox, quick first look. Buttons feel good. Not sure if you can hear that clicking from here. Maybe if I hold it up here. Yeah, good. I'm pretty sure everything else in the box is going to be fairly standard. Some Google manuals, you get power supply, USB-C to USB-C cord. We got stuck down here, little USB-C, USB-A adapter, quite handy, and earbuds. Gotta say I wasn't expecting that on a phone in this day and age. Some earbuds with the, of course, because 3.5mm stereo plug, so just bog standard earbuds, and stuck in here, power adapter, USB-C. I've also bought a dbrand skin to go on this, but the other thing I have as well, I like using the Moment lenses for photography and video. So I have the Moment thin case. So this is their case that are has the mounting mechanism for the lens built into the case. Let's see how this goes on. I'm assuming it's just gonna pop in. Oh, nice. Still easy to get to those buttons. Oh, turned it on. Look at that. I like the case as well. With the case on, it does make it easier to pick up. And now with the case on, I can grab my lens, line the marks up, give it a twist. Lens mounted, that's nice and firm as well. So now I've got access to all my moment lenses on this new machine as well. The other thing I use is I like these Volta cables. So they have the magnetic release cables. So I'm hoping that with this case on, this little guy fits nicely in the bottom here. And let's see whether or not these cables are going to work with that case on the new Pixel. So these are great because you just mag connect straight on, and that's going to work really well with that new case. Fantastic. Okay, so I also just wanted to quickly show you what the phone looks like with the skin. So when you get a dbrand phone skin, they give you two skins. They have this what they call their precision skin, which is, you can sort of guess, wraps around the sides and everything, and then the standard fit one, which just goes on the back here and on the camera. I've also opted to have a different color logo on there with this sort of dark camo style skin. I'm not sure how well that's sort of going to show up in the video, but there it is, all done, all wrapped. Cool. See you at the next one. Bye.